Trapper of the year, bitch, I can't stop, can't stop. Trap so stanky, you can smell it through the package.
This is my BMW 650i. 5 best qualities. Number 1, gotta be the paint, baby. Not because of the blue flawless color. No. It's for that flawless chameleon paint for those Mexican runs. You already know you can't always rely on speed to get you out of a sticky situation. When you have chameleon paint, they always get the wrong description. Hell no, officer. That's not black, that's blue. Number 2's gotta go to my fishbowl tints. Ooh-wee. Damn, I look good. Come on. You gotta be nice. You gotta let the haters see you with the windows up and the AC on those summer days.
Yeah.
Come, let me take you around the corner to one of my favorite parts, which is number 3. Napa leather for my nappy hair. Only thing better if you dip it in peanut butter. Okay, it's about that time. When we give a shout out to all the ladies out there with the shorts so high we can see those cheeks. Thank you, ladies, for coming out to those shows. Okay, back to our regular schedule program. Don't want to get you guys too distracted. Number 4's gotta go to my rims, because these is not any kind of rims. These rims do tricks. They always remain upright when I have it in park. I also take you back to the early 2000s and give you some spinners. That's not all they do, they also float. Take a moment to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Instagram. And don't forget to leave a comment below. And number 5 goes to, well, me. Drake might be the 6 god, but I got the best 6 in the 6. Well, there you have it. Those are my 5 favorite things about my 6. Hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you guys later, yo. If there's a future video that you like to see, let me know in the description below.